The best breakfast for stronger legs seniors over 60. Imagine waking up one morning, putting your feet on the floor, and suddenly realizing your legs feel weaker than they did last year. Not injured. Not sick. Just weaker. Now imagine someone telling you the real reason might not be your age at all but what you ate for breakfast this morning. What if the first meal of your day is quietly stealing strength from your legs without you even knowing it? If you are over 60 and your legs feel heavy, shaky, stiff, or tired too quickly, this video is not optional for you. Because what you eat in the first hour after waking up can either rebuild your legs or slowly break them down. Many seniors believe leg weakness is just part of getting older. They think sore knees, slow walking, fear of falling, or needing support to stand up is normal. Doctors rarely talk about breakfast. Family members blame age. But here is the uncomfortable truth. Most seniors are eating breakfasts that silently destroy muscle strength. Toast with jam, sugary cereal, white bread, tea and biscuits, even so-called healthy options that spike blood sugar and shut down muscle repair. These foods give a short burst of energy, then drain your legs for the rest of the day. And the worst part is this. By the time you feel weak in your legs, the damage has already been happening for years. Muscle loss does not start at 80. It starts quietly after 50. Every year after 60, your body loses muscle faster unless you send it the right signals. And breakfast is the strongest signal of all. Here is the aha moment most seniors never hear. Your legs are built in the morning. Not in the gym. Not on a walk. But in the first meal of the day. When you wake up, your body is in repair mode. It is hungry for protein, minerals, and slow energy. If you give it sugar and refined carbs instead, your body panics. Blood sugar rises. Inflammation increases. Muscle repair shuts off. And your legs pay the price. But if you eat the right breakfast, something powerful happens. Your muscles wake up. Your nerves fire better. Your balance improves. And over time, your legs feel steadier, stronger, and more reliable. Now let me walk you step by step through the best breakfast for stronger legs if you are over 60. This is not about fancy diets. This is about simple foods you already know, eaten the right way. First, your legs need protein in the morning. Not later. Not at lunch. Morning protein tells your body to protect muscle. Seniors need more protein than younger people, but most eat less. That is a dangerous combination. The best protein for seniors at breakfast is easy to chew, easy to digest, and rich in muscle-building amino acids. Eggs are one of the most powerful foods for leg strength. One egg contains nutrients that directly support muscle and joint health. 2 eggs in the morning can slow muscle loss dramatically. If you worry about cholesterol, here is the truth. For most seniors, eggs do not harm the heart. Weak muscles and falls are far more dangerous. If you cannot eat eggs, plain yogurt is another excellent option. It provides protein and calcium together. Calcium is not just for bones. It helps muscles contract properly. Weak legs often mean low calcium intake over time. Add a spoon of soaked nuts or seeds if you can. Almonds, walnuts, or chia seeds support nerve function. Strong legs need strong nerves. Next, your legs need slow energy, not sugar. This is where most breakfasts fail. White bread, sugary cereal, and sweet tea cause a blood sugar spike. After the spike comes a crash. That crash feels like heavy legs, low energy, and poor balance. Instead, choose slow-releasing foods. Oats are one of the best breakfast foods for seniors. Not instant sugary oats. Simple oats cooked slowly. Oats feed your muscles for hours. They reduce inflammation in joints and support steady energy for walking and standing. If oats are not available, whole grains or sweet potato are excellent choices. Sweet potato is especially powerful for seniors. It supports muscle function and reduces cramps. Now let us talk about something most people ignore. Minerals. Leg weakness is often caused by low magnesium and potassium. These minerals control muscle movement. Without them, muscles tire easily and cramp. Bananas are helpful, but they are not the only answer. Leafy greens, pumpkin seeds, and soaked lentils provide better long-term support. Even a small portion added to breakfast can make a difference over weeks. Hydration also matters more than people realize. Dehydration thickens blood and reduces oxygen delivery to muscles. This makes legs feel weak and heavy. Start your day with water before tea or coffee. Warm water if possible. Your muscles need fluid to function. Now here is where emotion matters. Think about what strong legs really mean. It means walking without fear. It means standing up without pushing off furniture. It means going to the bathroom at night safely. It means independence. Every fall starts with weak legs. Every loss of independence begins there. Breakfast is not just food. It is a decision about how you want to live the rest of your life. I have seen seniors change nothing except their breakfast and report better balance, less knee pain, and more confidence within weeks. This is not magic. This is biology finally being respected. Now let me give you a simple example breakfast for stronger legs. 2 eggs cooked simply. A small bowl of oats. A spoon of yogurt. A handful of soaked nuts. Water before tea. That is it. No pills. No expensive supplements. Just food that talks to your muscles the right way. If you are diabetic or have special conditions, portions matter, but the principle stays the same. Protein plus slow energy plus minerals. Avoid sugar in the morning. Avoid empty calories. Avoid skipping breakfast entirely. Skipping breakfast tells your body to conserve muscle. That means weaker legs. Now here is the most important emotional truth. Your legs are not failing you. They are responding to years of signals. Today, you can change the signal. If this video helped you see breakfast differently, subscribe to this channel. We talk about real solutions for seniors who want to stay strong, steady, and independent. Watch the next video where I explain one simple evening habit that silently destroys leg strength and how to stop it before it is too late. And before you go, I want to ask you something deeply personal. What do you usually eat for breakfast right now, and do you think it is helping your legs or hurting them?